Hello, my name is Vera Blossoms. I'm a student in the 2024 backend course, showing off my Java final project. We're going to quickly speed through our main menu function. I'm going to run through our credits. Just a quick credit screen. We're going to go to settings. This controls the speed of the game. I don't personally like the war card game. However, having it play out instantly didn't feel good, so we set up this. This lets you adjust how fast the game plays, all the way from a second or 4 seconds per match, all the way up to instantaneous. We're going to just go back for right now to show that it works as I intended. Match history. This shows you all the previous rounds that you've played, but in the case that it doesn't, it tells you that there is no match history and that why don't you play a round or two. So we'll do just that. Player's name 1 is Jimmy. Player 2's name is Timmy. And it will go through, start off with finding a deck, shuffle it, dealing out the cards so everyone has 26 in their hand with a score of 0. It's just a describe function. And then we'll play out game after game. Player 1 on top, player 2 on bottom. So Timmy wins the first hand, Timmy wins the second, third, fourth, fifth. Timmy's going crazy. Jimmy wins a round. This is the default speed. This was what felt comfortable to me, but people are different, so that's why we have a settings menu. At the very end, that's all she wrote. With a score of 9, Timmy wins. Thanks for playing. Did you want to go again? Just to show. We now have a match history. Timmy beat Jimmy with a score of 9. This will go, as far as I know, until you have way too long of list. To show that the settings work, we're just going to go to lightning round. The other settings do work, I just don't have enough time. We're going to go back. Start a new match. Kyle. Paul. Instantaneously, only good way to play war is over as soon as possible. And then here is our code. Card class, deck class, all the way down. Player. I had a debilitating bug where I had it as player equals player dot name or player name dot this. I could not figure out what was wrong with my code. It spent the entire week trying to fix it. I thought it was just bad. Very careful with your dot thises. This is our main app. This sets up the important stuff for later to avoid scope issues. We have a scanner, our history list, and then our static speed function. Our main menu. The print menu, which prints it out, and then this just selects your choice. Right here, specifically. This is our main game function. I could chop this up, I just didn't get around to. This was specifically the bug. I could set the player name to make it work. If I initialized it this way, the name wouldn't take. I had no idea why. Everything else worked just fine. We build a deck, deal out the cards. We just have everybody draw 26 times. We describe both the players, ask if they're ready. We run through this. We have both the players flip. We describe the cards. If players 1's value is better than players 2, player 1 wins the hand. If not, player 2 wins it. And if they tie, they tie. Then we run the match delay function, which is way down here. At the very end of the game, we print out that's all she wrote. We figure out what the scores were. Player 1's beats players 2. We print that out, and then we add it to our history function to let you know later. Same thing for player 2, and then if they tied, they tied. And then just an uh-oh else, just in case. I've never had it run, but you never know. Thanks for playing. Want to go again? Match history function. We check if it's empty. If it isn't, we print out the match histories. If it is, we print out this just to avoid a crash. And then this is our match delay function. We just sleep. I think there's better functions for this. I don't know them. And then we print out a card suit with a speed sleep between each, just to make it feel more like a game. And then our settings menu, we just change the speed and then the credits. And that's all. Thank you so much and have a great day.